Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be giving you a tutorial on MemGPT, which basically refers to Memory GPT. Now, as you guys know, artificial intelligence is growing day by day and achieving milestones. Whether you'll see AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Claude, and many more. However, there's a major problem with these AI models struggling with memory. Yes, memory is very critical and becomes very important during model training. Many AI models have a limited context window, which means they can only consider a fixed amount of information when generating responses. Memory constraints pose a significant challenge in the development of AI systems, whether it's AI chatbots, LLMs, or any other models. Alright, so we're gonna first start with what is MemGPT. Well, MemGPT is an AI project that aims to improve the memory capabilities of artificial intelligence models. It enables AI systems to effectively remember and recall information during conversations, making them better at tasks like long-term chat and document analysis. To get started, all you have to do is to just go down below in the description, click on the link, and you'll be redirected to this GitHub page. And from here, you have to scroll down to README, and then in the quick setup, you'll find this blue Discord button. So just go ahead and click on it. And you can then join MemGPT's Discord server. Now once you're in, click on Setup from the left side, and all the instructions to use MemGPT will be provided to you. So first things first, you have to click up here and select Privacy Settings. And make sure direct messages for MemGPT server is enabled. Now to start using MemGPT, go over to MemGPT channel, and we're going to start by creating our profile. So to create a new profile, type in /profile and press enter. Now you're to give the bot a user profile. Write down a brief user profile of yourself or any other character you want to create. So for this tutorial, I'm going to go to OpenAI ChatGPT, and here I've generated an anime character user profile. So I'm going to copy it from here. But as you guys can see, it have a limit of 1000 characters, so I'm going to paste the first half of this. Then press submit, and there we go. You can see user profile updated and our profile has been submitted. Now secondly, you have to type in /key and press enter. And in here you have to put your OpenAI API key. To get the OpenAI API key, open up a new tab and go to platform.openai.com. Sign into your account and head over to your profile at the bottom left of the screen. Then select API keys. And from here, either you can use any existing key or generate a new one. So quickly, I'm going to generate a new key. Then again, go over to your Discord and paste it inside the box. Then click submit. Lastly, you have to select the profile you want the chatbot to use. So to do that, type /create. Hit enter, then simply select the model. As soon as you select the MemGPT model, your user profile will be shown to you. Now you just have to confirm the action to use MemGPT bot. And you can see MemGPT bot is successfully added to my DMs. But right now it's showing an error. It's because MemGPT operated on OpenAI GPT-4 model. So if you're subscribed to GPT-4, then you'll be able to use MemGPT. So that's basically how you can use MemGPT. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.